To clean a new ear piercing, start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This will prevent you from accidentally introducing dirt or germs into the piercing. Next, dip a cotton swab into a gentle saline cleansing solution. Most piercing experts don't recommend using harsh disinfectants, like alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, since they can irritate the piercing and actually slow down the healing. Gently clean the area around the piercing on the front of your ear with a cotton swab. Soak a new swab in the solution and clean the back of your ear as well. While you're at it, gently turn the jewelry in the piercing about half a turn to keep it from sticking to your healing skin. Finish up by dabbing a small amount of antibiotic ointment on the front and back of the piercing with a fresh cotton swab. Give the jewelry half a turn to help work the ointment into the hole. Aim to clean your piercing at least once or twice a day, and don't switch out your jewelry until the piercing is completely healed. In your earlobe, this should take about 6 weeks. If it's in the cartilage, it may take a few months. Once the piercing is healed, take the jewelry out every night before you go to bed. Clean the jewelry with rubbing alcohol before putting it back in. Continue to wash your piercing with saline solution and treat it with antibiotic ointment at least once a month to prevent infections and keep the area healthy. If you see signs of an infection, such as redness, pain, bleeding, or discharge from the piercing, call your doctor for advice.